Welcome to Python Tutorial for Beginners, Part 1. In this series, we'll take you from absolute beginner to coding with confidence in Python. Let's get started with an introduction to Python. Python is a powerful, easy-to-learn programming language that's used by millions of developers worldwide. Python is great for beginners because it's easy to read and write, and there are tons of resources available to help you learn. Now, let's set up Python on your computer. First, you'll need to install Python. You can download it from python.org. Once Python is installed, you can run it in the terminal. Just type Python and press Enter. Now, let's learn some basic Python syntax. Variables are used to store data in Python. You can assign a value to a variable using the equals sign, equals. There are different data types in Python, such as strings, integers, and floats. You can use operators to perform operations on variables. The most common operators are plus, asterisk, and. Control flow statements allow you to control the flow of your code. The most common control flow statements are if statements, while loops, and for loops. If statements let you execute code only if a certain condition is met. While loops let you execute code repeatedly as long as a certain condition is met. For loops let you iterate over a sequence of items. That's it for part 1 of our Python tutorial for beginners. In the next part, we'll dive deeper into Python programming. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Bangsan AI Studio.